Welcome back to the VIEZU Workshop. I'm James, and today on our dyno we've got this Volkswagen Golf for a remap, dyno and Armytrix exhaust upgrade. But before we get into any of that, we need to strap it down and find out exactly what it's running now. So after that first run, we can see that this Golf is running 237 brake horsepower and 308 Newton meters of torque. A little bit up on horsepower, quite a lot down on torque compared to the factory figures of 216 brake horsepower, but 350 Newton meters of torque. We can do better. Now, this Golf has already got a performance exhaust fitted to it, but the customer wanted to improve the sound coming from his car. So before we get stuck into any of the work, let's just remind ourselves exactly what that sounds like. This Armytrix is a valvetronic system, and that means when you want to put the car in a bit more reserve mode and get a bit more restrained and quieter, you can push a button and do just that. Closing some of the valves reduces the noise from the exhaust, but when you want it to drive a bit more enthusiastically and you want it a bit more shouty, then pushing another button will do that too. So the team are underway with the installation of this high quality stainless steel exhaust, which should give you an increase of up to 15 brake horsepower and 17 Newton meters of torque, give or take, decreasing the weight, of course, by 4.8 kilograms compared to the stock exhaust. So the new Armytrix exhaust is very nearly complete, just the valve controls to go. So it's about time we read the ECU and sent the file upstairs to our technical team, where they can make all the adjustments needed to get even more power and performance out of this Golf. So the exhaust is completed, the new ECU file has been written to the ECU, and before we get it strapped down to the dyno to find out what performance gains we've seen, I think it's about time we took a listen to what that new Armytrix exhaust sounds like. So, what a great run. We can see the performance gains of this Golf is now running 327 brake horsepower and 484 Newton meters of torque. A huge increase in performance then, and a massive boost in the sound as well from that new Armytrix exhaust. And if you've got a VW Golf that needs the VIEZU touch, then give us a call on 01789 774444 or email info@viezu.com.